So because it's the same kind of formula that we used here from the last video, I'm going to copy this and just change the values that we have inside here, because we want to do the same thing. We want to find out if it's part of an hour or if we reach 60 minutes. So that's going to be 0 every time we hit 60 minutes. It's going to go around the clock, 0, 0, 0, 0, and we're going to then work out what part of the hour it is. So I've done that again. So let's start off by copying that value. So if I copy that and paste it into that cell there. Now we are going to have to do some editing. So instead of I6, I'm going to do something unusual. I'm actually going to type in a number rather than a cell. So I'm saying, is it part of an hour? And basically, if it is, we're just going to divide it by 60 minutes to give us an hour. Or we're going to divide it by 60 minutes and add 1 to it to give us the next hour. So hopefully that's all I need. Press enter. That doesn't seem quite right to me. Let's just click on it, check. There we go. So it's not G22, it is G, the total time in minutes, it's G19. So let's just change those G's for 19. And that will work nicely. It's either that or we go through the full explanation and see where we go. There we go. So time taken is, or time to hire is 1 hour. And if we remember, if we do it sort of for 35 minutes, we've still got to pay an hour's charge. If we do it for 60 minutes, we still got to pay an hour's charge. It's exactly an hour, so we'd only pay £5. However, if we did it for 70 minutes, that would be an hour and 10 minutes, which is a minimum rate charge of 2 hours. And there we go, we've got the 2 hours. So again, let's just move on. So that's just over an hour and 35 minutes. So we're still paying 2 hours. And this one is 105 is 1 hour 45 minutes. So we're still paying 2 hours. And this one 130. So 2 hours is 120 minutes. So that's 2 hours 10 minutes. So I should be paying a 3 hour rate. There we go. So we've managed that. So if I copy that along, now that I'm convinced it works, I've now got the number of hours to be charged. So now I can work out the cost of hiring the kitchen, the oven, whatever it is, and it is basically the number of hours multiplied by the rate. Now remember, we're going to drag right, so that's got to be fixed. So is equal to the number of hours multiplied by the rate and fix it. So it's going to cost £5 for that. If I drag that right, I've now got the cost of hiring, and we can just check this out quickly. So if I hire it for 7 hours, 7 times 5 is £35. Perfect. So now we've got the preparation time, the cooking time, number of minutes, and how much we need to pay for the hire of the equipment, the oven, the room, whatever. So in the next visit, we're going to now sort of work out the cost per cake now that we've got yet another cost to add in.